Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul with me. Well, nobody. I'm by myself today. We're going to be making a special video for Terre Haute, and this is going to be on sweet and sour sauce, and this is Chinese style. Now, Terre Haute, I hope you appreciate this because I wasn't really planning on filming today because, well, I'm by myself. I got no idea where Alex is, and now Amy's at work, so I really don't like doing this by myself. But this is a classic traditional Chinese way to do this. Now, we're going to start off by using ketchup and try to get sugar-free. It's got less sugar in it. I don't like ketchup that much, but when I'm eating French fries, it's kind of a must. I'm using 4 tablespoons of honey. It usually calls for brown sugar, but being diabetic, I prefer honey, as honey makes for a better... makes for a much better processing of through your system, so you're not hurting yourself with it. I've got 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then I've got 3 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water. And that's basically it. It's not that many ingredients. I don't know what we use this for, but you know, we'll figure something out. Basically incorporate it in, mix it really well, give it a few minutes to boil down and to cook out, and this is going to taste wonderful. It really does. It'll thicken up. Now, if you want more thickness, then you know what I mean. Then you can add a little bit more cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, flour will do fine, but it's not something I like to put in. Just make sure you stir it to make sure everything's combined. Now, if you want to add a little bit of heat to it, and I do, I'm going to add some chipotle chili pepper spice. If you don't have this, see if you can get it. It's really good. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of it. You'll give it a little bit of a bite, and to me, that's really cool. Especially if Amy eats it and doesn't know. I'm joking. It's not hot, but it does give it a little bit of a bite. Amy does find it hot every now and again. It doesn't take very long to heat up, but I mean, like, if you're going to make like some chicken, some pork, this would be an excellent thing to add on to it. It doesn't take a whole lot. It's actually pretty relaxed and easy. You don't want to turn into it. What I always tell people is when you're making sauces and you're not comfortable with the recipe, you've never done it before, taste it. Oh, that tastes good. It tastes really good. Because depending on where you are, depending on what restaurant, they may add different spices, and this is good enough. It's starting to heat up. It's starting to bubble, so that's good enough for me. So I'm just going to let this sit here for a little bit, and then put it into a container, put it into a fridge once everything's all cooled down. But when you go into a restaurant, often they're making their own variety of it, and often it's different from what you would do. So play around with spices, play around, and try to figure out what you want. If you're making a larger quantity of something and you need a lot more of this, then then alter the recipe and make more quantity. I'm only making a small amount because I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but you can use this to dip your veggies. If you have egg rolls, this would be really excellent for it. If you just want to make some stir-fried rice, which I might do later. That actually, to me, sounds like a good idea. You can pour that in and it would taste great. Just taste test what you're doing, guys, because it really does help you. Please hit that like, share, subscribe. Quote fan, I hope you like this. I did this just for you, brother.